Hi guys! In today's video, we will show the simplest ways on how you can transcribe speech to text with RecCloud AI Speech to Text. RecCloud AI Speech to Text is one of the best programs that you can rely on for converting speech to text with ease. One good thing about this program is that it can recognize voiceovers from different languages. Here are the steps that you can follow to convert. To get started, go to the official website of RecCloud and click the Edit Online button. From here, click the AI Speech to Text function to proceed. In order to upload files, click the plus icon to select your preferred files from the cloud or from your PC. After that, select the language you prefer for transcribing the uploaded file and hit the Convert button to start the process. Once done, click the Copy All button to save the output to your clipboard. And that is the easiest way to transcribe speech to text with this program. Thank you for watching.